Two of Zimbabwe's most battle-hardened liberation war commanders are emerging as the key figures in a looming succession showdown that would shape the country's political future after President Emerson Mnangagwa. Cyber Mashkoplan Emergency, Chiwenga versus Sibanda. The battle for presidency for 2028 begins. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tidna Bo Truth. Hope that you Retired General Philip Valerio Sibanda and Vice President Chiwenga both joined the liberation struggle in 1973, fighting on opposite fronts during the war against white minority rule. Shona Sibanda, who fought under the zebra banner using the war name Ananias Benzi, reportedly trained in Morogoro, Tanzania, and later in Lebanon. Chiwenga, then known by his guerrilla name Dominic Chiwenga, operated under Zandla and received military training in Mozambique. Now decades after the liberation war, the two veterans are once again being spoken of in the same breath, this time as possible heirs to the presidency. Sibanda's recent elevation to the ZANU-PF political bloc has fueled speculation that he is President Mnangagwa's preferred successor, but Chiwenga, long viewed as a powerful political force within the ruling party and security establishment, is still widely seen as a frontrunner for the top job in 2028. With rival liberation war legacies, deep military influence, and competing political bakers, insiders say the battle to succeed Mnangagwa could become one of the fiercest succession contests in the recent Zimbabwe history. Doma developments are kuda pango ino. Pera kuna social media zafungira elimo rudi kwa sababu chitko ichi. Subscribe or like, watch channel on the bell icon.